Ramp tramp stamp stamp. Ramp tramp tramp stamp stamp stamp. Stamp on my ramp tramp, please.
Ramp tramp tramp stamp.
Ramp tramp tramp stamp.
Ramp tramp tramp stamp.
Ramp tramp
Tramp stamp. Wow, it really gets more and more confusing.
Ramp tramp tramp stamp.
Ramp tramp tramp stamp. Ramp tramp tramp stamp. Ramp tramp 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 stamp.
Ramp.
Ramp tramp tramp stamp. Ramp tramp tramp stamp.
Ramp tramp tramp stamp.
Ooh. Well, I hope I feel as good as I look. Sexy.
Ramp tramp is sexy.
Sexy. Sexy. Sexy again.
Fun. Friends.
Bit slutty. Powerful.
Sustainable.
Abstract.
Playful. Cozy. And gorgeous.
Outrageous. What's the word? Boundary breaking. And proud because she's my niece, so there's a little bit of influence there.
Full of bad bitches. That's it. Like Ramp Tramp, honestly, like y'all are amazing. Like the person behind the camera is amazing. You interviewing me is amazing. Like everyone here is amazing. Y'all all made me feel so welcome. Like I feel like everyone has body insecurities and like being a plus size, like sometimes I do get insecure, but like walking in here, I was like kind of thinking, well, the clothes look good on me and stuff, but look, it looks great on me. And also because you guys hyped me up, so I'm so appreciative. So like, if anyone wants clothes, you know where to come to, so yeah.